Good morning. I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do another family recipe, and it's called taco soup. It's real easy to make. It doesn't take very long to do it. We're going to brown 1 pound of ground beef, and this is a real simple recipe. It doesn't cook very long. You just mix all the stuff together and put it on the stove and cook it about 30 minutes, and you've got a taco soup. When I'm talking to you about foods or most anything, you have to understand that I was a farmer's daughter. I was a farmer's wife for 65 years, and I was not just a farmer's wife or a daughter, I participated. So you have to understand when I'm talking to you that that's what kind of lifestyle I've had, and you have a tendency to speak like those people and eat the same kind of foods they do. And I can tell you right now that I love the South. I love Arkansas. I would not want to live anywhere else. I even love the little town I live in. I find people are so nice, and especially when you get old, you know, people are so nice to you. I just like living here. I'm comfortable living here. I know I can go off on trips and I enjoy it, but I'm always glad to get back and see the pecan trees and the oak trees. You know, that's what I grew up with, and that's what I like, and I like the people. See, this doesn't like much being ready. It's just about brown enough, likes a little yet. And we're going to drain some of that fat off. Okay, we're going to drain some of this fat off of this. Put it in this pan we're going to cook it in. Dutch oven. We have a whole kernel corn, 1 can of petite tomatoes cut up, pinto beans, and we're only going to use a half a can of this Rotel. I guess you could be your own judge. If you wanted a little bit hotter, you could. You just do whatever you want to with that. We're going to add a can of water to this. This is a package of taco seasoning. I'm fixing to add a package of Ranch's Original Seasoning. It's a salad dressing and recipe mix, or it says on it. Use that in a lot of recipes. You could spice this up any way you wanted to. You could put cayenne pepper in it. You can top it with cheese when it's done if you want to. Now you can serve this with crackers or some kind of corn chips. And this soup freezes real good. After you've eaten off of it and maybe have some left, you can stick it in the freezer. You can just go to the freezer and get you out a package of soup and eat it. Okay, we'll put this on the stove, and I'm going to cook it on about a medium heat. And I'm going to cover it, and we're going to cook that for 30 minutes. And we'll be all through with it. So you see how easy that is? It looks like our taco soup is doing real well. It likes another, I think, 10 minutes maybe. We're just going to leave it there to cook. Our taco soup is finished now. Okay. I hope you try this, and I hope you enjoy it. My son Kenny likes this, and of course a lot of the family members like it. I hope you try it, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. And I thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video.